Hi everyone! In this lesson, we are going to learn the 4 basic Chinese tones. Tones in Chinese we say 声调,声调. The 4 Chinese tones, 4个声调,4个声调. Have you ever wondered what is a tone in Chinese? And how does it look like in Pinyin? Pinyin consists of 3 parts. The first part is an initial. The second part is a final. And the third part is the tone. The pinyin for this Chinese character is m, a, ma. We can see here the tone is above the final. And the tone here is the first tone. Do you know how many tones are there in Chinese? There are 4 basic tones in Chinese. The first tone, the second tone, the third tone, and the fourth tone. Please remember, tones are always used together with finals, or you could say vowels. Tones would never be used together with initials. It's only used together with finals. Let's look at these 4 tones in details. Because tones are always used together with finals, so let's learn together first how to read this final. Ah, ah. Open your mouth big. Ah, ah. This is the first tone. Ah, ah, ah. This is a flat tone. It's like a person walking on a flat ground. Ah. This is the second tone. Ah, ah, ah. It's like a person climbing a mountain. This is the third tone. Ah, ah, ah. It's like a person coming down from one mountain and going up to another mountain. Ah. This is the fourth tone. Ah. 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 It's like a person coming down from the top of the mountain to the bottom. Ah. Let's review these 4 tones with ah. The first tone. Ah. The second tone. Ah. The third tone. Ah. The fourth tone. Ah. You could change the final ah here to other finals. Actually, there's another tone in Chinese. It is called the neutral tone. We can see here the pinyin is 爸爸,爸爸. 爸爸 means dad. The second ba, we can see there are no tones there. This one is called the neutral tone. Usually, the neutral tones are after the other tones. And when we read, we emphasize the tone that is in front of the neutral tone. 爸爸. When we read, we emphasize the tone that is in front of the neutral tone. 爸爸, 爸爸.